Hello, welcome back to the next tutorial about Selenium with Python. Today we will create an automatic Instagram login. If you are new in Selenium, please check out the last video which shows you how to install the Chrome driver and Selenium. Some info about me: my name is Pythonbeast, I'm 20 years old and I learned Python in 2020. So I'm not a professional programmer, but I like it to help others with their problems in Python. Let's start with the video. You see the code we wrote in the last video. We imported WebDriver from Selenium, created our driver and opened the Instagram login page. Now we add a new line. Driver.implicity_wait and 5 in brackets. With this command, the driver will wait 5 seconds until it throws an error. We need this because the browser takes some time to load. Let's run the code. We need a command which is able to accept the cookies by clicking Accept All. So we have to search for the button in the source code. For that, we right-click the website and click on Inspect. Now we see the HTML code of the website. We click the button in the upper left corner to choose our Accept button by clicking on it. Now it marks the code of the button. In this case, it makes sense to get the button by using the text Accept All. You can get the element by different ways. To get it by the text, we use driver.findElement by XPath and put the following string in the brackets. With .click, you click on the element. Let's try if it works. The cookies were accepted automatically. The next step is to fill in your username. It works the same way as before. We have to choose the input field in the source code. In the code we can see that the input has the name username. So we can get the input field with driver.findElement by name and put username in the brackets. With send keys we can write our username in the input field. I created a variable to make the code clearer. Let's run the code again. It works. Now we do the same process for the password. That you can't see my password, I import it from another file. We automatically filled in our username and password. Now we just need to enter after it. You do this with the submit method on the input field. Let's check if we are logged in. Now we are finally in our Instagram account. As the last step, we want to click away the next two windows like we did it for the cookies at the beginning. After doing this, we are finished our code for the automatic Instagram login. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If so, I would be very happy if you could like or comment this video and subscribe if you want to see more. See you in the next video. Bye.